Hello, good morning everybody. I am Vishwajit. Today I will talk about believe or on yourself and how believe on yourself is important in everybody's life. To achieve something, one must believe in it. Without faith or belief, we can't achieve anything. No matter how hard we try, unless we believe, we cannot achieve that thing. Once we have the belief to achieve something, it becomes possible to happen. A lot of people fail in their life. The reason is they work hard and focuses on it, but they does not even believe in him that he will be able to do the work. When they lost their faith, they leave the work and they can't achieve the goal. So do not give up your belief in any work you start doing until we are successful in that work. As long as there is faith, there is hope. If the faith is lost, then the hope of winning will be lost. Whatever you believe in and how big the work may be, keep doing the work. Whether someone supports you or not, keep doing it. You will definitely get success one day. There is no doubt in this. The day you will win on your faith, you will win on the work you are doing on your faith. Then that day the world and the people around you will salute you. On that day you will be proud of yourselves that yes, you have done something on your own belief. Many people are unable to start any work due to lack of confidence in themselves. The one who starts continues his efforts. He fails, he faces troubles, but he works up again and again, continues his efforts, and he does it again and again and continue his efforts, and one day he would find the success and reach their goal. When we believe in ourselves and try, the gift of success will slowly open for us. Believe in yourselves, you are braver than you think, more talented that you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Don't stop believing in yourselves. No matter what happens, believe in yourselves. You will be unstoppable. Don't limit yourselves to the skies when there is a whole galaxy out there. Always remember you are the braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Believe in yourselves and your ability and keep doing. The whole world will serve you. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Thanks for watching.